So my name's Kerri and I'm the Connected Persons Coordinator in the Connected Persons team. I've chosen to have the vaccination to ensure that the people that I work with are safe when I visit their home, to make sure that I'm safe for myself, that my family and friends are safe, and also that my other colleagues are safe as well. Before I made the decision to come for my vaccination, I had obviously seen things online that made me a little bit anxious and nervous about having the vaccination, but I've spoken through with colleagues and family members, and then also the nurses here are very helpful as well, that you can ask them any questions that you've got. And they've really relieved any anxieties I had and kind of dismissed anything that I've read online. So when you arrive at Nghonwy for your vaccination, you're greeted by a member of staff who'll direct you into the free car park. Once you've parked up, you can then come up to the entrance where you're asked a few questions, and this is just kind of regards to if you've had any COVID symptoms, if you've had any vaccinations. You get given a piece of paper where you've got some information to complete, and you can do that at a table that's situated within the hall before you're then shown through to the next section. You then give your information to the administrative staff who complete it all into the computer before you're then taken through to the main hall, where a vaccinating assistant will hold up a green sign for you to enter. So once you've been taken to your booth by the vaccinating assistant, you will then meet your vaccinator. At this point, you're able to ask them any questions that you might have. They're really reassuring, and no question's a silly question. They ask you then as well which arm you prefer to have the vaccination in, so whether that be your left or right, and then it's over within seconds. You don't really feel a thing. And then you get passed on to another section where you get to sit down for 20 minutes.